Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your home comfort while saving you money on energy bills. We found the Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat, and we've included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. The Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat, model ST25, is a Wi-Fi-enabled device designed to help you take control of your home's heating and cooling systems efficiently. This thermostat stands out with its compatibility with a wide range of HVAC systems and its intuitive features that are perfect for both tech-savvy users and DIY novices alike. One of the standout features of the Sensi Lite is its easy DIY installation. It comes equipped with a built-in level and straightforward, step-by-step instructions, making it simple for anyone to set up without the need for professional help. This ease of installation is essential for homeowners looking to save on installation costs while getting their thermostat up and running quickly. The Sensi Lite also requires a common wire, or C-wire, for heat pump and heat/cool only systems. However, it's worth noting that most systems don't require this wire, making it versatile for various setups. This flexibility means you can enjoy the benefits of smart temperature control without worrying about complex wiring. Now, let's talk about energy savings. The Sensi Lite is Energy Star certified, which means it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines. Users can expect to save about 23% on their HVAC energy usage, translating to significant cost savings over time. With features like flexible scheduling that allows you to set specific temperatures for different times of the day, geofencing that adjusts the temperature based on your location, remote access via a mobile app, and detailed usage reports, this thermostat empowers you to optimize your energy consumption effectively. Privacy is a growing concern for many users these days, and Sensi takes it seriously. They ensure that your personal information is protected and won't sell your data to third parties or use your thermostat activity for targeted advertising. This commitment to privacy means you can enjoy the smart features of the thermostat without sacrificing your personal information. The mobile app, which is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, is another highlight of the Sensi Lite. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to control your home's temperature from anywhere. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply lounging on your couch, you can adjust the temperature with just a few taps on your smartphone or tablet. This level of control not only adds convenience to your life but also helps you maintain an energy-efficient home. So, who is the Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys technology but isn't necessarily a DIY expert, this thermostat is perfect for you. It's designed for easy installation and practical use, making it accessible for everyone. Additionally, if you're looking to save on energy costs while maintaining a comfortable home environment, this thermostat is a fantastic choice. Practical use cases for the Sensi Lite are abundant. For instance, if you have a busy schedule, you can set it to lower the temperature during the day when no one is home and raise it just before you arrive. Or, if you're approaching your home after a trip, the geofencing feature can automatically adjust the temperature to your preferred setting as you near your home. In conclusion, the Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat is a user-friendly, energy-efficient solution for anyone looking to enhance their home's heating and cooling experience. With its straightforward installation, smart features, and commitment to privacy, it's a solid investment for your comfort and savings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.